EFT tapping changed my life because I was stuck saying a lot of affirmations and then not seeing that appear in my 3D reality. So I was saying all the things. I am healthy, I am wealthy, I am loved, all these things. But then if you don't see that in your 3D reality, that means that deep down in your subconscious, you don't believe you have those things. So then saying the affirmations is literally a big waste of time. Because if you don't believe it, affirming it and saying it is only gonna make your brain go, yeah, but I'm not. I'm not healthy, so why are we saying this? And then that encourages the lackful thoughts, the negative spirals that we have in our brain. So if you are currently doing all of the things to lose weight and it's just not clicking and you don't believe, maybe not even in the surface, but deep down you don't believe you are worthy of your goal weight, or you don't believe it's even possible, then this video is for you, because EFT tapping could be your missing piece. So how I like to think of it is affirmations are like a Band-Aid. They're like a surface level healing, right? But if you don't believe them deep down, they are not going to work. So what do you need to do? You need to do nervous system regulation. That means we're getting to our subconscious, we're getting to the root, we're getting to our nervous system where all of our doubts and limiting beliefs live. So while affirmations are surface level and a Band-Aid, nervous system regulation is the root and the inner healing work that's really gonna make a difference in your life almost instantaneously. So let's talk about what EFT tapping actually is. So it's a technique that combines your mind and your body at the same time. So you're gonna be hitting pressure points, specific ones on your body, while also saying affirmations. This is going to help so much with literally every area of your life, but specifically weight loss, because you're going to be hitting on all of those points that are holding you back right now from releasing all the unwanted fat from your body. You're going to be rewiring your nervous system, releasing those stress hormones, and then rewriting those limiting beliefs that are stuck down in your subconscious, probably from when you were like 5, 6, 7 years old. So EFT stands for Emotional Freedom Techniques, and it's sometimes called tapping because we gently tap on specific acupressure points on the face and upper body while also focusing on a thought or emotion. So this is cool. This was developed in the 90s by Gary Craig, and the idea is that every emotion has an energetic signal in your body. So when we tap, we send calming messages throughout your nervous system telling your body it's safe now. Research has even shown that tapping can lower your cortisol, release your stuck emotions, and rewire the old stress patterns in your brain. Simply, it's like emotional acupuncture, but without needles. And the best part, my favorite part about tapping, is you can literally do it anywhere. I've tapped before I walked into the grocery store. So the reason why I'm bringing it up here on this channel is because we need to release our limiting beliefs. We need to release those subconscious blocks. And what I found for me to be the most effective way to do this is through tapping. And our weight right now is linked to our emotional safety. So if our body doesn't feel safe, it holds on to weight. And listen, this can go back as far, like I said, as 3 years old, 5 years old. And if we knew back then that holding on to our weight for whatever reason kept us safe, we're gonna continue to do that pattern because our brain thinks that's familiar. Our brain loves comfort. Our brain loves the comfort zone. Even though that comfort zone might be keeping you overweight right now, our brain loves that. And anytime we try to branch out of that comfort zone, we get fought back by internal thoughts, by our emotions, by our body not feeling safe. So what do we need to do? We need to create safety in our body, and you can do that very easily through tapping. Tapping essentially tells your body, I'm safe right now. And when your body feels safe right now, you can move forward with all of these goals and ambitions that you have. That's why some people get held back when they're trying to go for being an entrepreneur, or they're trying to go and lose weight, or they're trying to maybe go put themselves out there to find their person in life. All of these things will start happening because our body goes, oh, we're not safe right now. But if you could tap and tell your body, no, I'm safe, everything's fine, you're rewriting your nervous system script. Because a lot of these things happened when we were younger, when we didn't know better. But now as adults, we're like, why am I self-sabotaging myself when I actually do want to lose 100 pounds? Like, what is going on? That's because your body is craving the familiar and is wanting to stay in the comfort zone. So you've got to branch out of that, tell your body it's safe right now. And then literally when you can do that, that's the best part, because your body will start releasing weight so naturally. It will feel so much easier to lose weight. It won't feel like a struggle. It'll feel like, wow, I actually liked my food today. I wanted to go for a walk. I drank all my water by 6 p.m. Like, you're gonna be looking in the mirror going, who is she? That's you without having those limitations. That's you feeling safe in your body to release your weight. That's how I believe I'm able to maintain my weight loss so effortlessly. And if you're unfamiliar with my story, definitely go to my page after this video and check it out. I lost 65 pounds after I've had 2 kids, and I've been maintaining it effortlessly for going on 5 years now. We're almost at the 5-year mark. Safety in your body is definitely something that's going to make your weight loss long lasting. Because when your body feels safe now, your metabolism, your choices, how you feel, the choices that you make in your habits every day, they're all going to start aligning with your goal weight self. And then what happens? If you align with your goal weight self, she's already doing all of the things. So you align with all of those healthy choices. You align with that healthy version of you. When your body feels safe to move out of your higher weight and down into a more healthier weight. Cortisol, stress, emotional eating, all of those things are correlated to how safe your body feels to lose weight. So think about that for a second. If your cortisol is high, if you're stress eating, if you are stressed out in general, all of those things are going to contribute to how safe your body feels to lose weight. So think about all of the things you can heal on your own. This is without a therapist. This is without, of course, go and use one. I totally advocate for that 100%. But this is something you can do on your own outside of all of those once a week, once a month office visits where you can really be regulating your nervous system in real time. So for tapping, I use a couple of main points. So when I'm tapping, I start off here, which is just a closed fist, tapping here. And then what you'll do is you'll do different scripts. So definitely stay tuned to my channel. I'm gonna be coming out with some tapping videos for you to help you, but these are just the main points of tapping because in this video, I wanted to cover what it is and how you can do it. So that's where you would start, called the karate chop. You can do it on either hand, it doesn't matter. It's a closed fist and it's just a light tapping with the other hand. And then here's the main tapping points. So we have eyebrow. So you're just gonna tap lightly, do my side profile. You're gonna do just like this, just tapping lightly. You don't wanna hurt yourself, but that's it. We just wanna hit those pressure points. Eyebrow, side of the eye. It's another one. And this is the sequence that I go in. Under the eye, under the nose, tapping on my lip ring that everybody hates on here, which I think is hilarious. Chin, and then you would go to collarbone. And then I go right here, right if you're a woman and you're wearing a bra, it's like right at your bra line, right here, right on your ribs. And then lastly, top of the head. So those are all of the tapping points. Whenever I do tappings or I create myself tapping scripts, those are the points that I use. And you can tap for anything. I've tapped on it all, literally. Stress, cravings, guilt, fears. I mean, you name it. You can tap on your body for anything. And what you're really trying to do, remember, is get to the root cause of all of these things. Because what's the main point? You are meant to have an amazing life. And if right now you're fearful about something, you're desiring something and it just doesn't feel like it's possible, you don't feel worthy, you feel guilty about something, you feel like I should be losing more weight by now, I'm doing all of the things, it's your nervous system, it's not you. And that's the thing, if you're feeling like, I don't feel like I'm living an amazing life, we've got to release all of those blocks from our nervous system, from our subconscious. And the key to EFT tapping is we want to bring our body back to calm. Because when our body feels safe and our body feels calm, we can get the things that we're desiring. And not only that, we're calming our nervous system, we're actually healing our body in real time, which is amazing. That's why I said in the very first thing right off the gate from this video is this changed my life because I healed myself from the inside out. So if this interests you, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you're not already, turn your bell notification on so you don't miss new videos. But my next video, you're going to absolutely love because it's about how you can create safety in your nervous system. And we go a little bit deeper because we want to create safety in our nervous system so that your weight loss can happen effortlessly, quickly, efficiently, and for the long haul, long lasting. We want to lose weight and maintain it. And again, you're meant to have an amazing life. So we want to create that. We want to bring that into our life immediately. I want you to feel better immediately. Tapping will make you feel better that same day. Like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it today, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.